Hey, I'm Luke with Countertops. In this video, we're going to teach you how to mimic Mother Nature in just a couple minutes using epoxy. Stay tuned, enjoy the video. Today we're using our regular countertop epoxy, mixing it with a couple of our color additives, and simply spreading them across the board and moving and melding them together to mimic natural stone. We're applying our epoxy over 3/4 MDF. Typically, we'd use our epoxy undercoat to help seal the porous MDF and give our project a good base color. But today, we're just gonna go for it.
First step, apply a thin coat over your raw MDF. Let's do this. This thin coat will help your color coat spread nice and even.
There's several different methods to melding your colors together. Today, we're gonna go with the easiest ones: our hands, a paint stick, and some heat. These will add fun effects that make your project come to life. Alright, it's time for the tip of the day. Have you been to our website, countertops.com? There, under our training portal, we have many different project recipes for you to follow along step by step. We give you videos, written instructions, and you can even download them as a PDF for you to reference even while you're doing your project to help you along the way. From the most basic countertop recipes, to recreating exotic stone, to shower walls, flooring, you name it, we have it. We have many different colors on our website, countertops.com, to pick from. Whether they're metallic powders or dyes, pick your palette and get started. We'll see you there. You got this. Okay, that concludes today's color recipe. If you enjoyed this video and got value from it, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, drop a comment, and share it with your friends. Until next time from Countertops, you got this. We'll see you on the next video.